ever noticed something interesting on YouTube? Some channels grow slowly for months and then suddenly start gaining traction. Views increase, subscribers rise faster, videos begin performing better. From the outside, it can look like luck, but most of the time it isn't, okay? And in this video, I want to explain why YouTube channels sometimes appear to suddenly grow, and why that growth is usually the result of momentum building quietly over time. Hi lovely people, and welcome back to Learn with Nia, the channel where I help those of us over 40 get set up and growing on YouTube. So many creators expect growth to happen quickly, okay? But most YouTube channels actually develop in stages. The early stage often looks like this, okay? Low views, small audience, lots of experimentation. Creators are learning what works, they're learning their voice, they're improving their clarity. So growth during this stage can feel slow, but it's not wasted time, okay? It's the foundation. As creators like you and me keep making videos, something important starts to happen. Our skills compound, our titles become clearer, our topics become more focused, delivery becomes more confident, and videos become easier to understand. And these improvements may feel small individually, okay, but together they create stronger content, and stronger content eventually gets noticed. Another reason growth sometimes appears suddenly is because YouTube gradually learns who your content is for. Okay, so when you upload clear, consistent videos around a topic or niche, okay, the platform starts to recognize patterns. It understands what your videos are about, who tends to watch them, who might benefit from seeing them next. That understanding takes time to build, okay? But once it does, your videos can begin reaching the right viewers more consistently. Momentum on YouTube often builds quietly, okay? You might notice a few viewers begin returning. Your watch time might improve and your clarity will strengthen, okay? The right audience will suddenly start finding you, and then one video will connect particularly well, okay? And from the outside, this all looks sudden. But behind the scenes, this is months of steady improvement. So if your channel feels slow right now, don't assume it isn't working, okay? You might be in the stage where momentum is building. Your skills are improving anyway, and your clarity is forming whether you realise it or not. And YouTube is learning who your content is for every single time you upload, okay? Growth often looks quiet before it becomes visible, okay? So keep building, because your momentum is closer than you think. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss another video, especially if you're over 40 and just starting out on YouTube. I am here to help you. And until next time, keep creating, keep posting, and I'll see you in the next one.